3000.
We're next to. We're having a great time.
What do you think about tech?
It's super fun. Today we were first in line, and so the whole race team is already gone. And me and Mikey were like, well, we're not done. Like, we want to keep playing. So we came back over. We're still filming and drinking and buying stuff. So we're not done at Tech Day, but the race team is. So look at how touristy I am. Have a blanket, sombrero, Bloody Mary. Well, I'm not sure if Bloody Mary's touristy, but
you're definitely taking in the whole experience. That's for sure.
The only team that did it under 20 hours. 1953, baby.
You?
1,200 miles. Beat everybody's ass.
We just got back to the house from Tech. The guys are gonna do some last minute stuff to the car, get it ready for tomorrow. I need to test my drone out because we're doing a live feed tomorrow and I have to make sure the monitor and everything's working correctly. So I'm gonna take her up and give you guys a little tour of where we're staying. This place is amazing. We just left the house. We are driving down to the start. We're behind the car right now. We're gonna follow them down to the start, try to get them getting off the line, and then we're gonna meet them either at race 30 or race mile 70. So, race day, stay tuned. You!
Take it in right here with you. Thanks, buddy.
So we're down there in Ojos, waiting to see the car for the first time after it left the start. Sounds like they're about 15 miles out. So here we go.
Set up now.
Left Ojos, did a visual on the car. It seems like everything's really good. Now we're going down to mile marker 77.
We're having fun. It's a little bit windy, but it's nice and warm and pretty.
What's up? Sitting here waiting for the car to come in. So the car just passed a little bit ago. It looks really good. We're sitting pretty right now.
Talk about sitting pretty.
Talk about sitting pretty.
I'm flying my drone. It's super cool.
It is.
That's Craig's impression of Mikey.
It's way worse not being in the car than it is.
Standing out here?
It's way worse here.
Oh yeah. Oh,
I can't
way
stand
more
this.
dangerous.
No, I'm saying
just
this.
boredom?
Like, no, I'm just nervous.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Anxious,
you're worried about the
Yeah,
car.
Marie's like, "What's wrong?" I'm like, I have no
I can
control.
tell, yeah.
I have no
Yeah,
control over
we're
what's
like,
going on right now.
It's like, I want to be in the car.
Max is doing.
You didn't see the car come by?
No, it was tucked right behind trucks.
Yeah.
I heard
So-
you say it came by.
Yeah.
That was a.
Tell Craig about the start, how Max was.
Oh no, I did. I told him he was really mellow on the start.
That's good.
Yeah,
So
he was
everyone
like-
before him was like on the gas, getting
Yeah.
it sideways,
Showing
around
off.
the corner. Yeah.
Showing
And I
off.
just Max barely on the gas, turned the corner, just
It's a mature,
making it.
sure young man there.
All right, so now we're leaving mile marker 70, and we are headed to get burritos. Burritos! Woo!
Where are we?
I love New Mexico. It's starting to spread out a little bit. It seems like it's them and two other cars that are kind of out front. And you see, I mean, this is still early in the race. So, can't, nobody gets a trophy for winning the first 160 miles. Right, Keith?
That's right.
Well said.
He's a man of many words.
We're having fun.
Streetcars are running, you know.
Should we head on down the
So we're headed to Valley T. Go check out the hotel that we'll be staying in until they get in the car.
Woohoo!
That's where people think you are. Hats are on? Do we have hats on? But Sam just walked over and he was looking at you, about to go over and mess with you. And he turned and looked at me and he's like, oh.
People keep thinking they're the same person. We're gonna keep on keeping on. We're all getting back in the cars and we're gonna go find our hotel, he said. Oh, did you put stickers up too?
Essential for Baja.
Some Baja stickers.
So that guy there. All right. On the road again.
And so Max is at mile 164 as of like 10 minutes ago, we heard. So he's doing good and still good. They're having fun. Helicopter went down, I think, a little bit ago and got some gas. So I think they're doing good too. Oh, cool. Let's see what this message says. Race car went through the pits and is doing great, possibly in physical top 3. We should have Chase handheld to give us an update and then go to Chase drone. See if they can sign off the feeds. And they want more drone shots, Mikey.
Yeah, we can get it. We can definitely get it when we get to Valley T.
Stop for a little bit and...
Well, when we park, I can throw it up.
Still recording! Oh. Hi!
Yeah.
You are? Oh my god.
So we're at Valley T. We just wrapped up the first day of the Baja 1000. We got a hotel for Keith and Craig to get a little bit of rest before they get in the car. Today we did a live stream. Had a little bit of hiccups, not on our end. The drone worked great. Her camera worked great, but we had problems with the helicopter and the car.
Today was awesome though. They're at like mile 200 or 250 right now, and they're still killing it.
Stay tuned if you want to see what happens. See you tomorrow.
Hi!
We just woke up. We're on our way to race mile 470 for the driver change. Keith and Craig are gonna hop in the car and take the car to the finish.
We gotta go to 470. Gnarly.
Yeah, the tire, flat tire, the jack gets held down good, I guess. But this one ain't going anywhere. Got the old flip on.
Hell of a job, buddy. Hell of a job.
You got it.
Good job, Max.
It was. Dude, you didn't hear us calling you guys? No, we did. Oh, because we were running out of gas. Really fucking fine. I'm getting ready to go take care of that. We've got plenty now.
So right now it looks like we're sitting in second place. They just fueled the car and put some tires on. The car looks great. Keith and Craig are fresh, and they're gonna take it to the finish.
It's 5:30. We're at, I don't know where we're at, actually. A pit stop. Oil.
Ready to cook up. A race car full of gas.
725.
Copy. We are in the meadow on the right side of the course. We're ready for you.
No GPS. It's out. When it comes back on, I don't have no screen, no map, and then it goes back out.
Switch it to both batteries real quick. See if that does anything for you. Come on in, right here, right here. Right.
We're at mile marker 720, 725. They lost the GPS in the car. Everything else is looking good. We just fueled them, did a visual on the car, no tires. Car was good, so now they're off.
Dang, sounds like right at the end.
Yeah. So,
I don't see that. Yeah,
sitting pretty, boys.
we're almost done with the race.
Oh, got so much dirt in my eyes. All right, see you there.
Factory Polaris. Looking good. Man, I'll tell you that Polaris looking pretty damn nice still.
We finished up, so long night though. Keith and I got in, I think 30 or 10 o'clock, and here we are.
Well, here you are, the sun's shining on you, and that's a good thing.
Yeah. Maybe get something to eat and get some sleep, you know?
Second or third.
Something like that. Well,
I don't know. I've been up for 24 hours too. I'm a little delirious.
Keith's last race, he's retiring. He's been with me for a long time, 10 years or so racing. This was our last race together. He mentioned it, and he's like, we got 70 miles left. And I was like, that messed me up a little bit, so it was hard to concentrate for a little while. But it was great to be in the car with him all night long, and just couldn't appreciate another human being as much as I appreciate him and what he's done for me in this race and stuff.
Well, definitely. And there's so many people that drive this program for you, you know, that get it done, that to get support to the guys on the doors.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, and he was number one. He was the one we decided to start a team. Wanted to do it, and has sat there every single freaking race for the last 10 years. So could not be more appreciative.
Right on. Well, this Factory Polaris gets around on some awesome stuff.
Sure does. Box shocks, method race wheels, tensor tires. Troy Lee does all our designs and all, and Proline does all of our wraps. I'm forgetting a bunch of people, but that's just because I was up all night and just have to live with it.
Awesome day out here, and thanks, and I'm glad you guys made it back safe.
I appreciate everything you guys do at SCORE, and thanks for having us out.
Got it. Expanded everybody, an awesome job. We'll hopefully see you guys next year, and on there, and I'll probably have a new co-driver. We'll have to wait and see who that is. You'll see, it was pretty cool. Him and Max Eddy teamed up here, and also a great job with them. That's the ball down, ProLineRock.com, SMG.
So that's a wrap in Baja, second place. What a great year. I'm so stoked to be a part of this team. It's been amazing. Hopefully I get to do it next year. If so, stay tuned. See you next time.